Howdy guys, in today's practical video we're going to be looking at how to make a mirrored triangle using the CAD features. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos. We also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we go into the program here, so now we're going to be running through a quick practicals to work on, or should I say use some of the tools we've already learned from CAD. And the main focus on these practicals, should I say, is going to be on the Polyline, but I am going to combine a few different tools just to throw you a bit of a curveball. So now in this practical, what I want you guys to try achieve is pretty much what you see here, a mirrored type triangle. But the requirement is you're going to have to use a line tool and your several points polyline. So with that, you should be able to create this mirrored triangle. Now your triangle might obviously look slightly different depending on the measurements you use, but the general gist or general idea is to have two triangles that create a bigger triangle. And so if you want, you can pause the video here, give it a try. If you don't come right, then I'll show you just the process I took so you can get a better idea of it. Well, okay, if you are back and you have tried it and maybe you have not succeeded, then I'll quickly show you just the process I took and how to go about it, because this you will be using potentially also to create normal triangles, which you can, but yeah, I kind of like the idea of doing the two triangles that makes another triangle, so it's actually three triangles. So I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to start with my line tool, then add here. I'm going to make a line on the horizontal plane with a second point, so I'm going to make that 100, say okay, and there we have our foundation. I always like to start with a good base. Next up, we're going to go to the line tool again, and then this time I want to go halfway in, so we know half of 100 is 50. Make both the first and the second point 50, so they're here, and then I'm going to lift this point 50, so the second point of this line. I'm going to say okay, and there we've got our base complete, or our guides. Now what we're going to do is we're going to head to our Polyline tool, the several points. Select that, and then what we're going to do is find our hotspots, so hover on the corners. I'm going to select this one, then the next one, and then the last one. Just get that, there you go, and then make sure you right click out of it, otherwise it will want to create more polylines. And that's how I went about making it. It's rather simple, but it just demonstrates how you can first of all use multiple tools in combination, and also how much time it saves you to use something like the several points polyline. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the first practical. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.